I want to share with you today a recipe for breakfast that has changed many women's lives. So the first thing I want to start off with is this pound of lamb. You can substitute it with bison meat, one of my favorites. You can also do maybe half pork, half chicken. You know, just play around with it, anything goes. Now, the reason why I love to use fennel is because it is a natural digestive. The next thing when I use is coconut aminos. It gives you like this really beautiful undertone of the same thing you would use with soy sauce. Next thing is apple cider vinegar, but you could also use lemon or lime juice, doesn't really matter as long as it's acidic. That's basically that, and what I'm gonna do is mix it all up together and then flatten them like just exactly the way a burger patty would look. And we're gonna pop them in a preheated pan. All right, the patties are done. The base contains one of my absolute favorite fresh greens, and that is arugula. I'm gonna drizzle that with some olive oil. We wanna add some acidity in the form of lemon or lime juice, and then using sea salt. Another important part of our breakfast are broccoli sprouts. I'll leave it to you how much avocado you like. I'm just gonna put a couple of slices here. Final step is just to sprinkle some of those beautiful seeds on your Farmer Wise breakfast. And voila, just real food that is absolute medicine for you.